Welcome back to How Fatigue Friendly Is This Hobby. Today we are doing some baking, making some blueberry muffins. We start with a score of 10, taking away a point for each thing that affects pain or fatigue. So I have a stand mixer, which makes things a lot easier. But of course we have to stand, which takes away a point because I can't stand for very long. And this is the recipe that I was using, by the way. So we're taking away a point for the fact that we have to stand. But honestly, baking isn't taking as much energy as I would expect. I will take away a point for the fact that you have to pay attention to what you're doing. Baking is a science, I think I've heard people say. You have to get things exact. And I am going to take another point away for if you are using full ingredients. So sugar and flour are quite heavy. But luckily, because I have a mixer, this part was actually quite easy. If you do not have a stand mixer, an electric whisk is pretty good, but again, that can be quite heavy. So you need to take that into consideration. Hand mixing is also quite difficult, so again, take that into consideration. This part was also easy, but the next part of actually putting it in was fairly difficult because the bowl is kind of heavy and getting the right amount into each cupcake case required, actual attention. I didn't want to make too much of a mess, so I'm taking away a point. And then next up, after we've put it in the oven, is the cleanup, taking away a point and a half for this. I do have a dishwasher, but the cleanup is quite exhausting, so taking away a point and a half. And then we do get to rest for about 10-ish minutes after we've done the cleanup, so we get to recover a little bit, not much, but that was it. And my final score is 4.5 out of 10. I hope you enjoyed, and I will talk later. Bye.